Assalamualaikum, imatasi kami sa SPI celebration. At sumalungan na daw masulot.
San Jose is the 10th largest city in the country, the capital of Silicon Valley, the world center of innovation. We are a beacon of peace and prosperity because we demonstrate what happens when people come together from around the world and focus on what we have in common rather than our differences. And we demonstrate to the world how we know how to get along and how we create a better life for our families. I'm very proud to be the mayor of this great city, and I'm proud to have you as members of our community.
صلى الله تعالى عليه وعلى آله وصحبه ومن تبعهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين. الله أكبر الله